Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be making peanut butter sandwich cookies.
Sandwich cookies? I mean, I hope it's not roast beef.
Today it's peanut butter sandwich cookies. And what's in the sandwich? Chocolate. What else? All right, here's all the stuff. Let's add it.
Okay, here's all our cookie stuff. We have the dry ingredients over here, which is 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, and baking soda. And then, of course, the wet ingredients over here, we have our peanut butter, maple syrup, butter, and vanilla. All right.
First things first, we screen the dry ingredients, and then we put all the wet ingredients together. And then we're going to be folding that in, of course. And then we're going to be mixing it thoroughly, making a snowball. And then we're going to take the snowball, roll it up into a log, and throw it into the fridge for an hour.
Okay, now for the chocolate filling, we have the coconut cream, the cocoa, maple syrup, vanilla. We have the Agar flakes and Arrowroot, which we're going to make a roux out of. All right, let's do it.
We got our coconut milk all nice and smooth and getting heated up, and then we throw in the vanilla and the maple syrup. Add the chocolate and stir thoroughly. Then we put in the Agar flakes and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of stirring, we put in our arrowroot roux and stir for another 5 minutes, and then we're going to put it into the freezer. All right, take out the log, cut it up into, cookie pieces. Roll them into balls. We put it into our parchment paper on our cooking sheet, and then we're going to squash it, of course, with a big fork into perfect peanut butter cookie things into the oven, 350, 10 minutes. After that sheet of cookies are done, we're going to put it on the cooling rack and then make another sheet of cookies into the oven. Cookies are all done and cooled off. We take our chocolate out of the fridge. We're going to put it into our moule and give it a blitz. And then, of course, into the piping bag and get ready to make cookies. And then we're going to pipe in at least a ½ inch of chocolate on those cookies. And then we're going to be making our beautiful sandwich cookies. Look at that. And here's a little flyby for you just to show you how yummy and beautiful these cookies truly are. Yeah. Peanut butter sandwich cookies. A treat indeed. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.